How to contact Brawl Stars Support. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about contacting the Brawl Stars Support for the assistance. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then simply go ahead and search and type in Brawl Stars Support in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. This way, you will come across various websites. From here, you are supposed to click on Contact Form of Supercell, that is indicating support.supercell.com Brawl Stars. Click on it. Now from here, you have to first choose the category you have issue in. Then after, enter your player tag or the account name in this designated area. After that, enter the correct form of your email address in this field. After you do that, simply go ahead and type in your message you want to send to Brawl Stars for the support, and then check this box for the verification. This way, you will be easily able to contact the Brawl Stars support for the assistance. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.